G'day YouTubers. Let's build a double wok burner, outside and wood fired, so we don't upset the missus with the smell of cooking through the whole house. I've taken a lot of inspiration for this build from Chinese and Japanese cooking shows here on YouTube. This will be the first of many clips building and using an outdoor kitchen. First, we need to prep our posi for the burners. I have a nice little pre-existing platform that just needs a tidy up. I have grabbed the woks and cast iron doors as a guide for the layout and marked their orientation in relation to ergonomics, functionality, and brick size. This will ensure usability as well as economic building process. Here I have used about 30 split bricks and 80 standard fire bricks. The 24-inch woks chosen means the ring for the firebox works out to an octagon with these standard size bricks. Use the fireplace silicone to glue bricks down and together. Make sure to transfer the wok outline as you build. This will just make it easier. Don't overdo it with the glue, as a little goes a long way, and later the firebox will be encased in concrete. Most of the traditional wok stoves have a fire lit from the back and no chimney. This is not ideal in this case, so I have a chimney box and have incorporated access doors off to the side to allow the cook to operate the wok burners without having hot doors right in front. The doors are 8" by 8" and cast iron. They're available on Amazon and I've put a little link down below. All the bricks have been cut off camera with a 5" angle grinder with a diamond cut-off wheel. I've used some 3/8 bar to support overhanging bricks and fibre cement board to seal up the top of the boxes. Use some 2 by 4" wire fencing as reinforcing, or something similar. It's been cut and twisted together to form a single support structure. Build a formwork and brace it well, so the concrete doesn't sag. Give the whole thing another couple of days to set. Use a 5" angle grinder with a diamond grinding wheel to chamfer the wok rings. I used the garbage can lid as a template. Do try and give the concrete a couple of weeks to go off before you start cooking, so it doesn't crack. And she's all done. Let's get cooking. If you wouldn't mind, it'd be great if you could give this thing a little like and maybe even subscribe to our station. Hopefully we'll have some more content to you next week. Thanks.